Mechanical seals are extremely common in the pumping industry and come in a wide range of materials and options. In its simplest form, a single component mechanical seal has two faces that contact and create a seal. These seal faces are lapped to a smooth, high-quality finish. One face rotates with the pump shaft, while the other is held stationary in the pump housing. Once a small amount of processed liquid reaches the seal faces, a hydrodynamic liquid film is created. This is what forms the seal and lubricates the faces. In addition to this primary seal, other components like O-rings, bellows, or gaskets create secondary seals to prevent leakage past the gland or along the shaft. A single spring or set of springs serve to hold the seal faces together. Single component mechanical seals located in the stuffing box are increasingly common and are ideal for a wide variety of temperatures and viscosities. Other mechanical seal styles include behind the rotor mechanical seals, where the sealing faces are located on the back of the rotor and the bracket is filled with grease to lubricate the bushing. This style of seal is typically found in abrasive applications. Cartridge mechanical seals, which contain all the working components and seal faces inside a preset housing. This makes installing and replacing the seal relatively easy. Because there are so many options available, mechanical seals are a versatile seal type and can seal against a wide array of liquids. The unique qualities of the processed liquid will greatly determine which mechanical seal type is used.